Hi Libra, this is your reading for the full moon, which is happening on the 27th of February. This is happening in the sign of Virgo. So just try to understand where is your Virgo placed. Full moon generally tends to trigger emotions, wounds, traumas that are unhealed. It will try and bring these emotions to the surface. So I'm sorry, so that you can have a look at what is it that you need to release and set yourself free from. Alright, Virgo. So I'll be pulling out two oracle cards. One is to understand which chakra is blocked for you, and the second is from the wisdom of the oracle. We'll be doing a quick spread, 3 questions and 3 cards. I'll clarify if I feel that there is a need to. Also keep in mind this is a general reading. Alright, so please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Take a deep breath. Allow the energies to flow in freely, Virgo. Complete surrender. Fork in the road. Alright, let's see which chakra is this blocking. Did I say Virgo? Sorry, I meant Libra. If I did, I'm sorry about that. Manipura. It is the solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus is about your confidence, is about your self-esteem. Anything that has affect any incident, and I think this is not something new that has happened. It could be something that has happened a while back in your life, maybe in your childhood. Yes, there could be incidences where this has triggered something. Some incident has triggered that, but most likely it could be a childhood. For most of us, most of our traumas and pain and the cycles that we end up repeating are because of our childhood experiences. So Libra, something to do with your confidence and your self-esteem, maybe that's lacking at the moment. So I'll be pulling 3 cards from this deck. The first will be, what do I need to release? Alright. The second is, how do I release it? The third is, what action do I need to take, or what should I focus on? Alright, Libra, let me show you the oracle first. This is the oracle that you have, fork in the road. You are at some sort of crossroads. You may be brought to this situation. It may not be by your own choice. This is something as if the universe wants you to now decide. The Manipura chakra, which is your solar plexus. Something about you need to be more confident in yourself and maybe trust yourself. What do I need to release? Queen of Swords. With this card here in the position of what do I need to release, I believe that this is about not getting stuck in your head, not being too logical or too many thoughts. Maybe that's what you need to put down. You may be too judgmental about your own self, very harsh when it comes to you. You may not be as loving as you should be towards yourself, and you may be criticizing yourself a little too much than needed, because you think that, because you may be feeling that this is how I will be perceived, and that is what is keeping you in your mind. Just remember, whatever it is that needs healing in us can all be done by our own self. Nobody, until we let anybody trigger us, I mean, if we are being triggered, which means there is something within us that's triggering it, right? Any emotions. What do I need to, how do I release it? 10 of Swords. It's as if these cards, the swords here is telling me it's about your mindset. It's about your thinking about your own self. You may be putting yourself down a lot just because you are overthinking things. It's time to really put that down. Put your thoughts down. If you think what can make you free, just look at this card. This person is out there in the world, in the middle of the nature. Try to spend more time in nature. Nature is actually very healing. Only thing is we don't recognize it. Try to spend more time there. You'll understand how open your chakras are, how fully functional they become. What action do I need to take, or what do I need to focus on? The Knight of Wands. What is it that you are passionate about doing? Do that. What is it that makes you happy? Is it spending time with your friends? Is it spending time at some party? Is it spending time in the middle of the nature by yourself or your travel friends? It's like, what is it? There is some like a burning desire kind of thing. When I say burning desire, it's for the passion that you have. What is it that makes you passionate about things? That is what you need to focus on so that you can feel more confident in yourself. Do what you love to do the most. Keep doing it again and again, because you'll never have enough of it. Whatever we love to do, we can, trust me, we'll be capable of doing it throughout our lives. But the only thing is, can we see it? Can we see our soul's purpose? Can we see that journey that we have come here to fulfill? And I think that's what you need to find for yourself. That little spark in your life, what is it? Whether it's about having an animal, a pet. This gives me a vibe of social service, whether that's what you like to do. When I say social service, it could be towards pets, towards animals, or towards people. Try to understand what is it that you like to do. A spiritual community that you would like to serve, or your own self that you want to pamper. But love yourself. That's all I can say here. Alright, Libra? Feel full in yourself. Because you are, as a being, you are complete. We have both divine feminine and divine masculine within us. Only when we feel complete will we be attracting people who feel that way, of the same energy. Alright, Libra, get out of that mind, please. Your solar plexus chakra is asking you to open it. I'll come back again, Libra, with a new reading that's for the coming, the coming week. I'll be posting your readings on Monday. That will be for the 1st to the 7th of March. Alright, until next time, Libra, see you soon. Bye-bye.